Miss Southgate, is this the motor you want here? This is the one I'm gonna buy. I bet I get this one half price, huh? They got keys already in them, huh? Southgate Garage. Hey, look what I got in the garage there. Picking up the old Hudson today. Nice, huh? Look at that. Hey, I'm at Sears today. We got a fuel solenoid. Took it to the lawnmower place, and they had to they tested it out, see if it works, and this has failed. So I'm gonna walk in here and give them this number. See if they give us a new one. All right, welcome to Southgate Garage. We got a, I think we got a fuel solenoid out in the mower today. I'm gonna show you how to replace it. But these are, no matter where you get these, 80 bucks, man. Even if you get them on the internet or Kohler or anywhere, they're around $80. You believe that? For the riding lawnmower. So we got a little bag here. We're gonna replace. We'll be replacing that today. Okay. So this is how we knew. This was what the problem was. Okay, so this is what started everything. You know, we got on the tractor, tried to mow, and this is what you get. Oh, I gotta have the brake on. It just won't start. So what you got to do, you know, first thing I did is looked at the fuel. Let's turn the gas off here. All right. So your fuel comes out of here. Obviously, this would be on because you're trying to mow. Okay. And I took this off. Okay. This is your filter. Okay, so you got to make sure you're getting gas. Make sure you got gas. Okay, and as you can see, we have lots of gas, huh? Okay. Okay. So shut that off here. You take these little pins off here. You pull this back, and gas came out. Okay. Now sometimes gas won't come out because you don't have the you know, top open. You got to open the top when you open this up. All right, I'll show you. Now this one I just left. See, now you're not going to get any gas. I got the fuel shut off. Okay, that's residual of what's inside the filter that's coming out. But you just take that little thing out of there. You got to open this up. I don't want to do it because the gas, it does work. That means your filter's good. Okay, so you got gas going in. Okay, and then you take everything out, all apart, and you look in there, and you got, you know, fuel in your bowl, and you try to kick it over, and you're not going to get any, and it's still not starting. You know, it's like, what the heck's going on? I got gas. I got gas in the carburetor. I got gas coming to the carburetor. We'll get that in a minute. Don't let me forget that, because that'll come off, and you know, while we're mowing, we might have a fire. That gas on the hot motor would not be good, right? See right here, this is where you empty your oil. But anyway, you come over here. Okay, so you got gas over there. Take a look at your spark plug. Now you take it out. Now you're going to look at your spark plug. Look at the spark plug. Oh, spark plug looks good. Huh? No big chunks taken out. It's not full of oil. Looks good, don't it? What you do now, you're going to take, what you're going to do now, take this. It's gonna be hard to show you. Hang on a second. All right, so you're gonna kick it over. This is how you test if you got fire. Let's see, right here. Get it out of the block, right? Bleep. You take it out like this, and then it's in the block. See? It's in the mower. You undo the mower. Okay, you put it right back into the little thing. See, it holds it. Now watch. See? This will be in your mower. Take this, put it right here. Okay? Now watch it. Oh, I get the brake out again. Hang on, let me get the brake. Okay, here we go. Here we go. See? Get spark. Now you don't want to touch that. You get shocked. So now you know you got spark. Put that right back in the hole. So why ain't the mower getting any fuel to the motor? So that you're like, oh, well, it could be a jet that's in there that could be clogged, or it could be this piece that is opens the fuel to the jet, right? So I did not know that. I just knew that it wasn't getting fuel. So then I started diagnosing things, you know, that give the motor fuel. So and I see that this was attached to the, that's how I figured it out. So and when I took this in to the place, to the lawnmower shop in town here, I had them check it. Now they would check it with a dwell meter or amp meter or whatever. You know, they can put leads on it, see if it's got continuity. I don't have one here, and they'll do it for free for you for free. So, you know, so most of the time, you know, and that's where I bought the parts. So, yeah, $80 little thing, but they last forever. So, okay, so here we go. You got your mower here. Got your carburetor. Sits on this. I'll show you that how to do it here. This is your old piece. Let me set this camera up here. Hopefully I won't run out of battery. Hopefully this won't fall. The camera won't fall. I got it wrapped around the brake. Alright, so this is what's going on here today. Now in the beginning it just it'll kick over, but it would not start. So I checked everything. And this is what it looked like. And your air cleaner was on top here. Get your pieces here. Okay, so where your fuel solenoid will be is in the bottom of your bowl here. And this fills up with gas from your tank. It comes down here, comes in here, and then this sits in the bottom, like so, and is plugged in. See, I don't think you can see that. Alright, so what it does is when you hit your key, this piece comes down and lets your gas run in, fills the bowl, and then your jet sprays it into the carburetor. Alright, so gotta get this piece out of the bag here. It does come with directions. Let's get this going. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get this where it sits in this bowl here, and then we'll put it all back together. Something like that. Now I don't know why they don't fail open. That would, well, I guess I wouldn't be doing it now. Then you'd have gas constantly pouring in there, but okay. And this will screw into the bottom of this. So in theory, see how it goes, see how we screwed it on there? Let's see the camera. Is that camera catching me here? Yeah, it is. So hopefully it don't give me a weird position here. I want it to be like that. And obviously you can't put a wrench on it because you break that little plastic piece out there. So that's on there now. And it comes with a little plug here. It does give you directions. Ooh, and I see there's a washer in there. Let's see. The other one did not have a washer. Well, this is the washer, huh? Well, maybe that one's got a washer. Let's unscrew it. Take a look. I guess we could read the directions that come with it. We'll check it out. And there's not a washer on there, huh? I'm sure there's a washer that goes on there. A piece here. Let's check this directions out that comes with it. Electrical lead connection. Cut the spade connector off the wiring harness as close to the connector as possible. Hit the bullet tamper in place, make sure. Oh. Okay, so just telling you how to hook it up with the wires, but it doesn't tell you the, I guess you gotta know that, huh? So I'm gonna assume this is stuff you'll run into. That's why I do these videos. Show you guys exactly what it is when you do it, you know, how to do it and what goes along with doing this stuff. This is a lot of fun to me. I like this stuff. Keeps your mind busy, you know. Could give me a Ziploc bag, huh? Instead of my teeth, but whatever. Okay. I'm sure that goes on here. Look at that, it fits, even fits. Okay. So that just opens up and lets the fuel in there. And gets in your jet. Now they told me not, I don't have to worry about the jet. Oh, look at that, see? That's gonna be a weird spot. So let's try. It's probably gonna try to make me ruin what I got here. Let's try to put it on like that. See if it'll end up that way. Wind's kind of blowing, so you're probably hearing that on the. Been up a couple 100 degrees here the last couple days. Look at that. Bang. Oh man. I'll tell you that. Then I'm gonna have to figure out how to get it down here. I had it the first time. I looked at all the parts before I put it on. Maybe we would have got it right the first time. Okay. Let's do threes. There we go. That's what I'm going to stand up like. Let's see something here. See, that's the kind of stuff you're going to come across. I guess when you kick the key out, you'll be able to hear it click. Look at this. I'm going to have to wreck it to get it on there, huh? Oh, man. It's going to be all backwards when I put the lead on there. Let's see if I tighten that up on top. There is a place where I can tighten that. You can get it to go around. I just need a little bit. Just a little bit. Try not to wreck your bowl here. This is your bowl, or your float. I mean, it's going to get, I mean, everything you do is always going to be trying to get at you. But it's all a learning process, you know, you just got to do it. If you took it and got it done, they would, you know, you'd probably, with the $80 piece, it'd be a lot of money, a couple $100, you know. Or you can do it yourself at home. Let's see here. It's simple as the tools, like you see me here. Oh, come on. Put it on there, come on. Come on. Alright, so it's going to face forward, I guess. It's the only way I can get it to go on. Make sure it's nice and tight. It is. So hopefully these are long enough to go in there. And they are. It's going to go to the bottom. Oh, I guess it wouldn't have mattered. Which way is it? I mean, hopefully this only goes in one way, you see it? Let's just plug into the bottom. I'm just going to move you over here. Just got to move into the bottom. Try to keep it away from the motor. I guess I could have put it in before I put it on there. Oop, there it goes. See, it clicked right in. That'll be there, and then you gotta run your new lead on that. See, the old one didn't have a ground. Just beep right into here. Okay, so let's hook that all up. Open you up here. Nope. There we go on that. Let's go find a little piece and we'll put that on here. The thing is I didn't put the bowl on. We got to take it back off. Oh no. The bowl's got to sit on there. Dang it. Yep. It's got to come back off. So we'll do that. We'll be right back. Tool ain't small enough to go in I'll just have to hand tighten it. There ain't no wrench that would fit in there. But I'm sure it'd be fine. And look where it ended up. Looks all professional. Let's hook it up. Yeah, put this in here. I'm gonna borrow a ground right there. See, I don't hide nothing from you guys. I show you everything, not like television. On television, they just say, okay, this is it, and then, you know, I could show you 20 minutes what they do in 20 minutes, okay? But I could show you everything. Or I'll try to show you everything on exactly how to get it done. Now, when you tighten this up, just tighten it, you know, just tighten it up. You don't have to go King Kong on it. It's inside the block. You don't know if the block is aluminum or cast iron, you know. Just tighten it up. Look, it's nice and tight. Huh? Look at all that. Look at that. Look at that job there. Looks good, huh? See, I'm going to show you on my channel. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What you got to go through. You know, if it's hard, you get, you know, to do it. I'm going to show you how to get it done. Whether we got to take a torch, you know, or we just end up throwing the whole thing away. If it's just too much of a hassle here. So anyway, we'll put these on. Tighten these up here. I'm going to put the top on. This is where your air filter is at. See, I always put the bolts right back on. That way, when your kids, you know, run around through here, they say, oh, look, there's a bolt. They don't end up taking your stuff, you know. So look, this goes like this. Now, when this wouldn't start, I took this off to check it. As you can see, it's good. It ain't great, but you can see daylight through it. Probably not today because it's dark, but it's got an overcast. Speak clearly. Here's your little end top here, or a cover. See, I'm trying to talk to you in Southland lingo here. I have to remember you guys talk different, unless you're from the Southland. Got that on there. So we're gonna tighten these up here. Oop, here's your top. I got an extra piece left over. We don't need it. No. Yeah, just got to hold that little piece here. See what I'm saying? I'll show you exactly what I do. Putting it together. Now, I've never done this before. This is the first time I've ever done this. Goes on top. Nice little hat, huh? It's going to the show. It's ready to work. Look at that. Rah! We'll change that next year. We'll do a complete tune-up, and then we'll do a vid on it. All right. So we got that on there, huh? This is your mower. Okay, so let's get these on. I'm not gonna hand tighten them. I gotta find a. This is too small. It'd be nice if this was the same size as that, but you know, you can't have everything, I guess. Okay, you can see it. It works. Get some fuel. Oop, get a little more fuel. Get a little more fuel. Huh? Look at that. For what?
No, that's video.
Hey guys. What you gotta do is you gotta put a destruction blade on it. Now put that in there like that. So you got that holder? Open it up.
I already get that one. I already get that one.
There you go. Yeah, see?
Oh my God!
A snow blower. Well, actually, the Southgate got it. What?